Kweku and Atta formed a company and agreed that their profits will be shared in the ratio 4:5 respectively. At the end of the year, Atta received 5,000 cedis more than Kweku. How much profit did the company make in the year? So we have two friends who entered into a business agreement, Kweku and Atta. They formed a company and they agreed that at the end of each year, they are going to share the profits that they will get from the company in a ratio of 4:5 respectively. So what it means is that Kweku's part of the ratio is 4 and Atta's part of the ratio is 5. At the end of the year, when they shared the money, Atta received 5,000 cedis more than Kweku. The question wants us to use this information to calculate the profit that the company made in the year. We are looking for the profit, so let's represent it with a variable. So let's say P is equal to the profits made in the year. From the question, we know that Kweku's share is 2, Atta's share is 4:5. Kweku's share will be equal to his part of the ratio, which is 4, divided by the sum of the two, so 4 plus 5, which is 9, times the profit that was shared. So Kweku's share will be equal to 4 divided by 9 times the profit, which we have represented with P. So 4 divided by 9 times P. And this will give us 4 divided by 9P. In the same way, Atta's share will be equal to his part of the ratio, which is 5, divided by the total, which is 9, times the profit that was shared, which is P. So that will give us 5 divided by 9 times P. And this is 5 divided by 9P. The question tells us that at the end of the year, when they shared the money, Atta received 5,000 cedis more than Kweku. This means that Atta's money was 5,000 cedis more than Kweku's money. So, if we want Atta's share, it will be equal to Kweku's share plus 5,000 cedis. If we add 5,000 cedis to Kweku's share, that will give us Atta's share. We know that Atta's share is 5 divided by 9P. And Kweku's share is 4 divided by 9P. So we can substitute it into this equation. When we do that, we will have Atta's share, which is 5 divided by 9P, is equal to Kweku's share, which is 4 divided by 9P, plus 5,000 cedis. This is a linear equation. So we will solve this linear equation for the value of P, which will give us the profits they made in the year. To get P, I will multiply through this equation by the LCM of the denominator, which is 9. So we will have 9 times 5 divided by 9P is equal to 9 times 4 divided by 9P plus 5,000 cedis times 9. So 9 and 9 will cancel each other out. 9 and 9 cancels each other out. And this will give us 5P is equal to 4P plus 45,000 cedis. When I send 4P over to the left hand side, that will give us 5P minus 4P, which is P. And so P will be equal to 45,000 cedis. Remember, when we were starting, we said P is equal to the profit made in the year. And we have found the value of P to be 45,000 cedis. What this means is that in that year, the company made a profit of 45,000 cedis.